Hi, this is John Criswell. Welcome to Manufacturing Marvels. If you enjoy what you do, you have the ability to do it well. In 1975, Ed Tangle founded Enercon Engineering based on that philosophy. Located in Peoria, Illinois, Enercon is a trusted resource for the engineering and manufacturing of customized power solutions, ranging from paralleling switchgear and controls to the integration of electric generation equipment to UL-listed industrial control panels. For more than 4 decades, Enercon has helped its customers overcome their toughest power challenges. During that time, Enercon grew from humble beginnings, operating out of a 5,000 square foot garage, into a 160,000 square foot manufacturing marvel. Enercon's facilities include a 50,000 square foot electrical assembly area with client-specific production lines, in-house sheet metal fabrication shop, a military standard paint booth, and on-site capacity to load test power generation systems and controls. With more than 50,000 projects completed and deployed worldwide in 110 countries, Enercon's solutions are specifically designed to ensure operational continuity and energy optimization in any environment, including the extreme temperatures of Antarctica. Enercon supports defense program partners in designing, manufacturing, and testing specialized power solutions to help the U.S. Armed Forces and its allies maintain overwhelming tactical, operational, and strategic advantages. Currently, Enercon is producing the prime power system for the Missile Defense Agency's Terminal High Altitude Area Defense Program, known as the THAAD program, with 23 units deployed around the globe. When you partner with Enercon for your power and control needs, you know you're working with experienced, service-minded people who are dedicated to helping you prevail.